Hi all, this is Ellen from EGI Designs. Today I wanted to share with you some recent items that I had picked up from 49 and Market, and I have from the Krafty Garden collection, from the Color Swatch Charcoal collection, and the Color Swatch Ochre collection. I love 49 and Market products. They are awesome, very high quality, and I love each collection because it matches so well together. So I thought where we could start is the Krafty Garden collection. First, the tapes are awesome. This one, I used a little bit of it. So look at that. And it's just gorgeous. And this is the fabric tape. Love that. And a little skinny craft one. And here we have the mini laser cut elements. It's not going to let me in to look at them. So look at all these in here. Oh, and the fence, the lace, butterflies, the stamps. Love the flowers. Look at these. These flowers are gorgeous, and the butterflies. And I love on the back of the information sheet, it always has cut aparts that you can use. You could use these on the front of a card or a collage. So it's the mini laser cut elements. And then I think everybody's favorite, the rub-on transfers. These are great on any project. Wow. Oh my goodness, look at these butterflies. Just gorgeous. The leaves, the foliage. And again, you can use this and you can cut apart this as well. Oh, those rub-ons are gorgeous. Alright, and then we have the laser cut elements, which these are just bigger ones of the first pack that I showed you, but they have some additional items. Oh wow. I love this with the window on the clock. And again, this is the back. Oop, come on, focus. Thank you. So you could cut this, you could put that on the front. You could even cut right here and put some flowers inside there. So that's the laser cut elements. And then on this one you have the laser cut wildflowers. Oh, and you get some bees, beautiful butterflies, dragonflies. Oh wow, look at these wildflowers. Just gorgeous. Ah, these are so pretty. And here's the back of this one. Okay, and this one, I'm not going to take it out because it's going to be quite a mess of things, but these are the stacked frames. I'll just take one out so you can see. Here's all the options. You can make them like little file folders. So like you could take this, you know, and make on the front of your card, you could punch these out and make a floral arrangement. And that would look really cool. And then here is the gorgeous, 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 gorgeous 12 by 12 paper. Oh, I just love this so much. This would make a gorgeous front of a card. Wow, look at this. Oh, that's so pretty. I love the colors. Wow. This one has the collage already going, so you could cut this out and then add even some rub-ons or some of the laser flowers. Could be a scrapbooking page. It's already kind of started for you. You put your picture in here and then put some of the flowers around the edges and the rub-ons. That would make a great page. And this one too. I also love on the edges of these, you could cut the branding strip off and use that on your card or your project. And here we have a lot of cut aparts. These would be great card panels for the front of your card. So there is the gorgeous paper. Put on this aqua stuff. So clean that up. Okay. So then I have a pack of the ephemera stackers in the Color Swatch Ochre. I thought this would be good to make with, if you're doing like a distressed mixed media, things like that. I love in here it has the library cards, little tabs, postage. So this would be a great collection. If you're doing a collage, you can put these along the side. That would be great. Alright, and then lastly I have a few pieces from the Color Swatch Charcoal collection. I have the Acetate. It has butterflies and flowers. And these are really gorgeous. I'll just pull one out of here. So you can see how gorgeous this would look on the front of a card or a project. Yeah, you could even do something like that. And here is the 6x8 collection pack. Oh, this is the back of the front sheet. So beautiful. I love how they have the gray blue mixed in with the charcoal. That looks really pretty. Oh wow, look at these flowers. It's a great plaid distressed on the edges. Oh, and these butterflies. My favorite. Distressed stripe. This would make such a great card panel. Just beautiful. And then we have the charcoal rub-on set. Wow. See, you could put them on there with that. Add a butterfly on. Oh, these are gorgeous too. And this one has a lot of words that you can add to your project. And then finally, we have the fabric tape. Oh, wow. Look at that. Just gorgeous. I have the little charcoal one. This one is very collage, mixed media looking. Tickets. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed this tour of a few different newer 49 and Market products. And like, subscribe, and I hope that you have an awesome day. Thanks.